In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Thunderbird email. Now to do this, first you want to open a new message, so of course the email, and there we go, you can then compose it. So in here you want to type in whatever text you want the link to be. So for example, I'm going to type in, "This is my YouTube channel," just like this, okay? Like that, there we go. And then the easiest way would be to simply highlight the text like this, go to Insert up top, and then click on Link. You could also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard, and as you can see here, it's going to tell you which text is going to be a link, and you can just go and basically type in your web page. For me, it's going to be my channel, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, when you do this, as you can see, this is now clearly a link over here, and that's really all you have to do. You could also insert a blank link like this, go to a row, click on Insert, Link, and then you have to type in your text, for example, hello, and I'm going to type in the same link, click on OK, and there we go. It's going to insert it as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.